I define data quality, well, the way I think about data quality is how precise is the information that you have relative to your objective outcome. And what I mean by that is, data quality can take on many forms. Data quality could simply be, do I have the right names and addresses of people? But the reality is, in today's world, when I say a digital persona or profile, it literally can have thousands, even tens of thousands of attributes across demographic, firmographic, psychographic data. So how do you make sure that all of those attributes are not just accurate at one point in time, but they're accurate in an evergreen sense? That's data quality. Well, data quality and Marketo go kind of hand in glove. When I hear people talk about precision marketing, if your starting point is not data and data quality, you're not doing precision marketing. You can never accomplish that. So for me, when you're thinking about targeting the right accounts, talking to the right individual, making sure that all of your activities are driving real ROI, it begins and ends with data quality.